Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I will be providing all services from textbook and an introduction to management science. So if you are looking for any solution help or if you are stuck in any question from any chapter, so you can just request me. I will be providing you any help from my side to solve that particular question from any chapter from this textbook. I have solved a lot of questions from different chapters. You can go through my YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos with solved examples. So the next service that I provided is problem formulations and constants. So if you need any help or you need to set up problem formulations or if you need any constants development, then also you can just reach me out. And as well as implementing Excel solver, how we can implement Excel solver, their maximization and minimization profits, and how to put the formulas while using Excel solver. And also if we are sensitivity analysis and how to use Excel solver, then of course I will be helping you in that as well. Also I help my students in exam related assignments as well. So recently I have held this kind of assignment where we have 7 questions, and there was a time frame of approximately 3 hours. So I have done this all 7 questions in 2.5 hours with all that parts. So if you need any help regarding that as well, so also this I can help you. You can just reach me out over my email address, then we will both connect each other and then we can discuss more on that and the time frame for the number of questions in that assignment. So I will be helping you in that as well, and I will try my best to provide you the solutions in before the timeline. So this is all in this video, and I hope you like this video. So if you need any help from this textbook, that is an introduction to management science, you can just directly reach me out and we can discuss more on that. If we are, I mean, any questions or if you need any small help as well, so you can just directly reach me out. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.